The rich use tax secrets to slash their bills. And you can too. Welcome to 5 ways to legally avoid taxes, rich people's secrets. We're spilling the tea on strategies the ultra-wealthy use, from billionaires to savvy middle-class folks. No shady offshore accounts here, just legal moves anyone can try. Number 3 will shock you, and the final tip could save you thousands. Grab a notebook, dodge the tax traps, and let's unlock these wealth-building hacks together. Let's kick it off with a classic, retirement accounts. Ever wonder how the rich defer taxes for decades? They max out 401ks and IRAs. In 2025, you can contribute up to $24,000 to a 401k and $7,500 to an IRA. Traditional accounts lower your taxable income now, and you pay taxes later in retirement when your rate might be lower. The wealthy love this because it's like a tax-free savings vault. Want to know the best part? You can invest that money to grow tax-deferred. For example, a $24,000 contribution at a 22% tax rate saves you $5,280 now. Self-employed? A SEP-IRA lets you stash up to $69,000. Stay tuned for a strategy even billionaires use. Next up, health savings accounts, or HSAs. This is the rich person's secret to triple tax savings. If you have a high deductible health plan, you can contribute $4,300 for individuals or $8,550 for families in 2025. Here's the magic. Contributions are tax deductible, growth is tax-free, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. The wealthy use HSAs as stealth retirement accounts, investing the funds for decades. Want a real example? Contribute $4,300, save $946 at a 22% tax rate, and invest it to grow. Unlike IRAs, there's no income limit, but you need a qualifying health plan. Next, a loophole real estate moguls love. Ready for a billionaire favorite? 1031 exchange lets you defer taxes on real estate forever. Section 1031 of the IRS code allows you to sell a property and reinvest the proceeds in a like-kind property within 45 days, avoiding capital gains tax. Real estate moguls like Donald Trump use this to swap properties without paying taxes on gains. Here's the kicker. You can keep rolling over gains until you die. For example, sell a $500,000 property with a $200,000 gain, reinvest, and defer $30,000 in taxes at a 15% rate. Rules are strict. Only investment properties qualify. Next, a strategy for business owners. Own a business? This one's for you. The rich turn personal expenses into business deductions. By structuring as an S corporation or LLC, you can deduct expenses like travel, meals, or home offices. For example, a $10,000 business trip at a 24% tax rate saves $2,400. The ultra-wealthy, like hotel magnates, also use depreciation on assets like buildings to wipe out taxable income. Want a pro tip? Pay yourself a modest salary and take profits as dividends to lower payroll taxes. But you need legit business expenses, don't fake it. Next, a strategy that's a billionaire's dream. Here's the grand finale, charitable giving. Billionaires like Buffett use donations to slash taxes and look good. Donating to charities gives you a deduction up to 60% of your adjusted gross income. For example, a $10,000 donation at a 24% tax rate saves $2,400. The ultra-rich set up private foundations deducting contributions while controlling the funds. Here's the wild part. You can donate stocks and avoid capital gains tax. A $50,000 stock donation saves $7,500 in gains tax, plus the income deduction. Rules are tight. Use IRS-approved charities. Next, how to apply these safely. Ready to save on taxes? Don't get burned. Here's how to do it right. Use irs.gov for rules on 401ks, HSAs, 1031 exchanges, deductions, and donations. Consult a CPA or tax advisor to avoid audits, especially for business deductions or foundations. Avoid this trap. Never trust tax relief companies charging big fees. Scammers target desperate filers with fake loopholes. For example, check HSA eligibility or 1031 timelines on IRS.gov. ProPublica reports billionaires like Bezos use legal strategies, but you don't need billions to save. Stay legal, stay smart, and keep more cash. That's the blueprint to legally avoid taxes. From 401ks to charities, you're now a tax-saving pro. These strategies work for millionaires and middle class alike. Just stay legal. Which tip will you try? Drop it in the comments, smash that like, and subscribe for more money hacks. Share this with a friend to help them save. Stay wealthy, stay smart, and we'll see you next time. Now, time for a quick disclaimer. The content in this video is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. While we strive for accuracy, laws can change and interpretations may vary. Always consult a qualified legal professional for specific guidance. We are not responsible for any actions taken based on this video. The sources of this content are mentioned in the video description. If you notice any errors, please let us know so we can correct it. See you next time.